An important aspect for many home buyers is having a nice position in the street. Here at 10 Iroquois Court, we're at the top of the street and you've got really nice views out across the suburb. Next most important feature is a big lounge room, and here at this property we've got a large living area which overlooks the front of the yard, air-conditioned ceiling fan and access into the garage. The second living area in the home is also quite large. This is your kitchen dining area, vinyl floors in here, ceiling fan as well, and a nice big kitchen space including a pantry, upright stove and dishwasher space. The access to your other bedrooms comes off your dining area through to a hallway. Your second bedroom is also quite large, queen size. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans. And bedroom 3. Built-in robes as well. Separate toilet in this property, as well as a two-way bathroom. Quite a big room, includes your bathtub and shower. From your bathroom through into your main bedroom. Full length built-in mirrored robes, air conditioner and ceiling fan in this room. It's a really big bedroom. Back out through into your living area, and as you can see, very sunny, warm, open space. This property also has a terrific walk-in linen cupboard which has great space, and also separate laundry which takes us out to the side yard. There's great space on the outside of the property and a dog. And round to the back where you've got a patio area, shaded, and you can see your roller door there coming through from the back of the garage, accessing the yard as well. The yard is fully fenced and you can get a vehicle up the side, a small one, if you needed to get a trailer into the yard as well. The home offers great family space, and it's good to have two separate living areas that you can spread out. Entry out to the front door, you've got security screens and security doors right through. Give me a call if you'd like to come and inspect the property, and we can arrange a time for you.